Let me show you how to remove and replace your recessed LED ceiling lights. If we inspect our light, as you see, these lights have two clips on either side that we are going to need to release. Also, you see this light has a clip that you can use to easily unclip it from electricity. First, you want to simply grab your light with your fingers and try to pull it down gently. If you can't get your fingers under, maybe try a small screwdriver. And then you see, lift it out a bit, and you want to feel for these clips that you have. So take the first clip and simply press it inwards, so we can actually remove it. The other clip, as you see, we can simply pull it out like this, and then we can remove our light. And to install the light back, I'm going to clip it here. Again, simply grab this first clip and simply shove it inside there, like this. Okay, and then the other one, you see, I'm simply lifting it, tensioning it, and simply putting it down. After that, simply adjust, and you are good to go. Okay, let's do this once more from a slightly different angle. So see, I simply jam my fingers underneath here, feel for the clip, press in on it to release, and on the other side as well. To install back again, so simply shove down the first clip, spring it, tension it, push down and adjust.